In the new energy era, safety and reliability are the bedrock of technology. Taian Intelligent Equipment Guangdong Co. Innovation as the engine, faith in quality, dedicated to serving global customers, provides state-of-the-art environmental reliability with battery safety testing solutions. The company was established in 2017, take root in Chaotuchang, Dongguan, the area over 10,000 square meters. Annual production capacity exceeded 100 million yuan. We have a team of over 70 professionals. 15 of them are senior professional and technical personnel, work experience 10 to 21 years. 5 intermediate engineers focus on environmental test equipment, safety test equipment R&D innovation into core areas. Accumulated a number of patent certifications. The product has passed us the international authoritative certification. With precision detection technology providing reliable protection to global customers. With solid R&D strength and industrialization achievements, the company was awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise. From battery cells to battery packs, from the laboratory to the production line, Taian provides full chain testing equipment solutions. Cell module testing solution equipment, high and low temperature damp heat test chamber, 70 degrees centigrade to 150 degrees centigrade limit test, temperature cycle test chamber 1000 round-drop verifications, module battery pack testing solution equipment, bedroom battery extrusion acupuncture testing machine 10 tons to 100 tons pressure, force control accuracy plus or minus 0.3% FS, high current short circuit testing machine, 10,000 to 30,000 peak current. Detection accuracy plus or minus 0.1%. AFS battery pack bottom impact testing machine 80J to 1500J impact energy. Energy control accuracy plus or minus 2% to plus or minus 3%. 4-in-1 safety testing machine. Combustion short circuit thermal runaway immersion integration. We provide customers with a full process testing solution, from cell to battery pack, and customized safety standards. Battery overall laboratory solution from material testing to finished product verification. One step to meet GB 31241 UL 1642 and other global standards. Battery pack total laboratory solution covers the full dimension of mechanical and environmental safety testing. Supports strict requirements such as GB 38031 IEC 62619, simulation-driven design, data-empowered security, Taian self-developed size optimization, and overload stress simulation tech. Make sure the equipment is under 125% to 150%. Overload still running stably. Whether it is an energy storage battery GB 36276 series or power battery GB 38031 series, we do this with millimeter accuracy defying industry benchmarks. On the road to new energy vehicles, every energy storage power station operating in your handheld smart device, Taian detection technology guarding safety of every charge and discharge. We serve clients worldwide, covers electric transportation, consumer electronics, and other technology more reliable, make the future more secure. From made in China to world standard, Taian always adheres to the concept of green testing, enabling carbon neutrality. In the future, we will continue to focus on technological innovation to write a new chapter in battery safety.